everyone present here. Once again, a warm welcome to another session. Like the other day, I again want to thank every participant, every member who's encouraged us and kept the Men in Mantras session going. Um, we have our esteemed speaker, Ms. Pallavi. She's a digital marketing consultant. Ma'am is handling, she's got years of experience of handling and being an expert on digital marketing as a whole. On our request, ma'am is going to conduct a session only on the LinkedIn part today. So, warm welcome, ma'am. Thank you for your time. I'm sure you have a great learning ahead.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that quick and very nice introduction. So, guys, this is LinkedIn, and you already had a very nice digital session by one of one of my colleagues, one of the person whom I look up to, which is Hitesh. And I saw the session. It was a fantastic session, and I saw all of you even enjoying the session. So we thought that in digital marketing, we will do a little bit of micro niche session, because when it comes to digital marketing, may I ask you what comes to your mind when we say digital marketing? What really comes to your mind? Amazon. Oh, Abhishek has given a very unique answer. Amazon. Facebook ads. Yeah, that is Vivo 2008 is saying Facebook ads. Yes. Gani is saying online. I'm going to take single names. I'm in habit of that. So please, pardon me for that. Virtual presence. Yes, absolutely. Okay, somebody is saying Professor Dinesh Gupta. I didn't understand that. But yeah, I'm just asking when we say digital. Okay, that's your name. Okay, Dinesh ji. Hi. Google AdWords. Nisha saying Google AdWords. Absolutely awesome. So when I'm saying digital, what comes to your mind? More answers. That's it. Doesn't the growth or survival and those kind of things come? Yeah. Dinesh ji is saying LinkedIn. Okay, great. So WhatsApp marketing, amazing. I mean, that's kind of, WhatsApp has become an extension of our lives, right? Absolutely. Jab tak din bhar, it doesn't keep on pinging, we'll keep missing, we'll keep missing something in our life. Insta, amazing. So these are all platforms. What else do you feel when somebody says digital marketing? I was actually expecting some answers like, absolute necessity or growth or something to do with a business. Yeah, now the answers have started coming. It's saying reaching out to customers of the whole world. Scalability. Yes, absolutely, sir. Scalability. What else? Any of these subjective things that that come to your mind when we say digital? So amazing. Okay, new reach. Absolutely, doctor. We've done a lot of doctor sessions. We are doing a lot of doctor sessions specifically for doctors, and for doctors is definitely a new reach. And there's no doubt that everybody has to be digital, and there is no absolute imperativeness when it comes to digital. Am I right? Yes or yes? Yeah. Great. So within digital, we thought that me and Anil sir, we were discussing, and we thought that, why not go much more funnel way? Why not dive deeper into it and find our micro niche? Okay. So when he connected with me, we both discussed just for a few minutes, and we both didn't have any, doubt in selecting LinkedIn as a subject, because that is my favorite subject. That is actually his favorite platform when it comes to business growth. And all of you are today business people. You are all business minded. We should be business minded. And when it comes to business, one thing that really matters is, one should be very live and active, is the platform that is called LinkedIn. Okay. So before starting the subject, I'll first take you through who am I, because my introduction is a little bit pending. So I have a permission to introduce myself. without boring you much. Thank you. So who am I? Okay, so this is my favorite slide, but I'm not going to tell you too much about myself. Who am I? My name is Pallavi Sakarkar. I'm a digital marketing trainer and a consultant. Okay, and currently I'm in Mumbai. Yeah. And in terms of my career journey, so ये कौन है जो हमें LinkedIn सिखाने वाली है, इतना serious subject, ऐसा कुछ आ रहा होगा दिमाग में. So my current journey, or where I have reached today, is I'm currently working as a freelance digital marketing consultant. However, my journey started with advertising, and then I was working with Coffee Day for a couple of years. Then I was working with HSBC in campaign management. I was handling campaign management there. And then I started working with Pizza Hut. I handled Pizza Hut for good, around about 5 years. And then I started digital because I realized that digital is going to be absolutely imperative. That is where the growth really lies. And that is where the world is going to come to. So in 2016, around, I started digital. And that's how I started all my sessions in digital. Okay. So these are some of very few pictures of digital that, digital marketing programs that I have taken. Okay. I work with government organizations for spreading digital awareness. My intention is to make at least 1 lakh people in India digitally aware. Yeah. So I hope that really happens and the numbers keep growing. I do digital marketing growth workshop for various corporates. And I do open market workshops. I used to do it offline. Now everything is kind of turned online. I do rural marketing, digital marketing workshops for women empowerment, for digital, various digital initiatives. So this is one place in Maharashtra where I was called on January this year. So there were total 225 people whom I could, educate, empower digitally. So this is my small journey. And then COVID happened, lockdown happened, and everything kind of came on to the digital marketing space, and everything came on to, we all got Zoomified actually. So that is how it is. So today's session is all about how some people get massive business leads from their LinkedIn active presence. So great. This is all about a complete micro niche in digital marketing. And after today, you will never have this question as to why and how LinkedIn can really help me grow as a professional. Why and how LinkedIn can help me grow my business. Okay, so we are going to dive deeper into this. So this is a quick synopsis. Just have a look at your screen. This is a quick synopsis of pre-COVID, which means COVID शुरू होने के पहले हमारे बिजनेस के जो लीड्स थे वो हमें ऐसे आते थे. So say around this is the survey of around 100 people, and people used to get business leads from all these kind of initiatives. So they used to go meet another people. Like right now we are not meeting people, so networking comes as 42% of their business leads used to come from networking. Then there's email, people do email marketing. Then FB means Facebook marketing. LinkedIn is around. So this is like typical business people who are active on LinkedIn, on and off on LinkedIn, and this is how the business leads used to come. And then COVID happened, and if you now remember these numbers, this is how the entire your business used to come. Business that started coming in post-COVID era is happening in the lockdown time. So if you see, the previous slide actually talks about LinkedIn's contribution to business growth is 12%, and LinkedIn's contribution in lockdown times where you cannot meet people, etc., networking has gone down, meaning physical networking. I'm talking about meeting people physically for business, etc. And there are umpteen number of business communities which meet each other very regularly. That went down, and the entire dynamics of how you get business from other people, from networking, and from being active on various platforms has changed. LinkedIn actually came to 22% from 12% in terms of getting business from LinkedIn. Yeah. And can anybody guess what are the costs of, you know, getting business from LinkedIn when it's actually grown from 10%, 12% to 22% in this particular case study? Can you imagine what are the costs? So Abhishek Biani is saying 0, and your answer is absolutely right. You know, some people absolutely got LinkedIn by, you know, absolutely got good amount of business. COVID made them realize that they have to be much more active on LinkedIn as a platform if they want to get noticed, if their business wants to get promoted on LinkedIn, and costs were absolutely 0. There are other social media platforms that you know of, have, you know, you have to spend massive amount of money to get business leads from. But LinkedIn, the biggest benefit of LinkedIn, even as of today, is it does not really charge you anything, and absolute cost is like absolute 0 cost in terms of getting business, you know, getting leads for your business, right? So that sounds really good, right? So all of us, you know, fall in one or the other category. So I'm going to give you 1 minute and just, you know, type in the chat box, which category do you belong to? Or, you know, which one does relate to you? Just type either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Yeah. Dinesh is saying 2. That is, I have an account on LinkedIn, but I'm not active. Don't worry. There are a lot of people. Okay. So a lot of people are saying 2, 2, 2, 2, and that's the answer. Arpita, hi Arpita. She's saying I have an account on LinkedIn, but I'm not active. So don't worry. We, you know, we are all sailing in the same boat. I mean, I'm a little bit changed myself, but we are all sailing in the same boat. Okay, I have an LinkedIn account, but I don't remember the password. Is case 1. So Kirit is saying, you know, he has a LinkedIn account. So good reason. I'm going to push you really hard to, you know, get your account activated. And I'm sure after today's session, you will activate it, right? So, you know, great. There's nobody in category 3, 4, 5. Okay, a couple is saying he's in category 4, which means that I have a premium LinkedIn account, but I don't know what to do with it, or it didn't help me. Oh, okay, great. So, okay, fine. We'll try and answer that too. Okay. If you really are expecting business from LinkedIn account, premium account is not really necessary, but let's discuss it out. It's not absolute necessary, but if you have it, let's discuss it out. How can it really help you? Yeah. So great, guys. Even if you are in category 1, category 2, there's absolutely no worries, because the right time is now. There's a lot of you know, lot of awareness that people have come up with, and they you know, they are now getting active on social media, and it's not yet late. So that's a good news for you. Yeah. So why is LinkedIn really important? Okay. So LinkedIn is really important because of all these reasons. One, where you must have heard this umpteen number of times, that when you have to you know, create a business, you have to be very, very active on you know, you have to first sell yourself. People first buy you, then they buy your product. Okay, so you have to create yourself as a brand, and you have to create a credibility and authority in terms of, you know, talking about your brand. So the first step of selling anything, or first step of your, you know, taking out your business, taking out yourself out in the market, the first step is to create credibility and authority. And LinkedIn is one super classic platform where you can professionally, if you professionally write your LinkedIn profile, you can create yourself as a brand first. Your business automatically has a positive impact of, you know, getting accelerated on LinkedIn. So that's the step 1, and that's benefit number 1. Yes. Second benefit is, you know, so why I'm saying is, what I'm saying is because when we take anybody through social media benefits, we always ask these questions. You are selling, but who's buying? You are saying, but who's listening? And is somebody out there at all? If at all you are talking, so हम किससे बात कर रहे हैं? So all this really you know, comes into a being when you start getting active on LinkedIn, and this is what matters the most. That's the first benefit of LinkedIn. that you can create yourself as a brand. You can then, tag your business. You can then brand your business on LinkedIn, right? So am I clear till here? Yeah. The benefit number 2 is ACE. ACE means awareness creates everything, right? Which means that, when you are active on LinkedIn, it is very easy to have awareness about how your customers are, how your customers are thinking, how your, what your colleagues are doing, colleagues as in your same industry people, and also watch the competition as to how your competitors are doing. And this kind of awareness always gives you a great benefit in terms of creating that awareness about what the entire industry is doing and what are you supposed to do in terms of your business, in terms of your profession, okay? Be it any business or any profession, doesn't really matter. As far as LinkedIn is concerned, awareness is very, very important. Awareness about your relationship, your product's relationship with your customers, with your colleagues, and with competition. Yeah. So having said that, LinkedIn is very famously known as a platform for getting resources to doing your business, which means that, you need some help from business, from your associates, from some people who will be very instrumental to help you in terms of getting a right kind of business. LinkedIn really helps you. So that is, previously LinkedIn was considered to be only floating of job opportunities on LinkedIn and people applying for those jobs and getting those jobs. But no more. LinkedIn is considered to be only a job platform or a resources, it is considered to be a resources platform, in fact, where you get a lot of people whom you can get your work done from. They could be employees, they could be business associates, they could be your prospective clients, so on and so forth. So LinkedIn is a most resourceful social media platform as long as your business is concerned, any profession is concerned. Yeah. Is this making sense till here? Is this making sense to you? Yeah. Benefit number 4 is you can actually narrow down your search and you can search whoever is active on LinkedIn, and you won't believe, guys, the number of people that are active on LinkedIn at this moment is, can you just type, one guess as to how many people would be active on LinkedIn? Whether you want to take a guess about, so let's take a guess about India numbers. Yeah, Arpita saying 1 lakh, Anil sir saying 2 million. No, sir, way beyond that. Way beyond that. Okay, more answers? Okay, no, Arpita, it's way beyond that. Okay, great. So, 62 million. Gaurav is quickly Googled. Gaurav, very, very smart. He's quickly Googled alongside, I think. No, but Gaurav, your answer, I really like your answer. So there are 62 million Indians, and Gaurav, very, very smart, wherever you got your answer from. So amazing that there are 660 million LinkedIn users across the world in 200 countries, okay? And US is the biggest market, and India is the second biggest market in terms of 62 million right number of users that are who have an account on LinkedIn. And somebody saying, oh wow, yeah, it is actually very, very wow. So 62 million users, Indian users, okay. And there is one very, very important word here, okay, which is, there is one very, very important word here on the screen. So take this like an open book exam, okay, which the word actually describes itself as the most usefulness of LinkedIn as a platform. What could be that word? It's right there in front of you. So what do you think is the most important part for your business or for you as a person to be live on LinkedIn? So the most important word which I was trying to highlight here.
Sorry,
yes,
ma'am. Most of them are saying decision making.
Absolutely right. If all of you are saying, most of you are saying decision making, and that is what makes a world of difference. So what happens is there are other social media platforms, and believe you me, other social media platforms have all the users who have time, who may have time, and that's why they are active, but they necessarily do not have a decision making power. Okay, and they are necessarily not the spenders, so they cannot take out money from from their pocket and pay you if they are impressed with you, and if your professional branding goes absolutely right in front of them. So if that is the answer that you've given, decision makers are all on LinkedIn, and your answer is absolutely right. So your understanding is absolutely right. They are the spenders. They will give you money. Okay. So who is LinkedIn for? It is for recruiters, professionals, business owners, career starters, investors, any kind of business, trainers, coaches, life coaches, mentors, thought leaders, startup companies, CEOs, COOs, anybody and everybody. So I'm sure all of you fall in one or the other categories over here, right? So moving forward, how really LinkedIn makes an impact is, I'm again summarizing all these points, that LinkedIn creates a personal brand. So when you start being active on LinkedIn, LinkedIn creates a personal branding. It empowers the online networking of yours. So, you know, there's a limitation when you do networking in physical form, which means that you go out and meet people. But LinkedIn as a networking platform is so effective networking platform that it empowers you to reach out to the professionals of the world, to the clients of the world. I mean, I have so many international clients, and all of these are, you know, I met them on LinkedIn. I've never met them physically. So that's the best part about LinkedIn, right? And you too can have a lot of international clients, a lot of clients beyond your city whom you don't need to meet. You just need to have a business with. Yeah. Next is collaborate for professional reasons, which I covered in first to the second point also, to get a better job and to get a lot of freelance assignments. Yeah. And then consulting projects. Many of you would be consultants over here. You might be doing freelance, you know, assignments, etc. LinkedIn is so important for you to be active on, right? So, you know, in spite of LinkedIn being, Arpita, decision makers are those who decide to buy products. Those are the decision makers. Like from other social media platforms, people can just see the products, but you know, they might be kids, or they might be people who are not earning. So they cannot take a quick decision to spend on whatever you're selling, right? So that is called decision making. Yeah, Abhishek, Arpita, you guys are asking decision makers. As yes, you're right. Yeah. Okay, Arpita, fine. Great. Fine. So, you know, in spite of a lot of, you know, these advantages and benefits that, you know, that are there for being active on LinkedIn, unfortunately, how we have been using this gold mine, which is called LinkedIn. And I really call LinkedIn as a gold mine because it is a gold mine for many people who use it effectively. We use LinkedIn like this. Yeah, we use LinkedIn like this. Do you really agree with this kind of, you know, what is this? What exactly is this? Tell me. Please type that. Yeah. So this guy is going out for networking, and he's going out like this. Yeah. And his objective does not get fulfilled because, you know, he's networking like this. So, you know, the best thing that you need to do, like, which is like a starter in terms of LinkedIn, is you need to have a profile not like this, but profile something of this sort, where, you know, somebody looks at your profile and immediately comes to know about what you are and what do you stand for. Yeah. Is this picture, is this profile optimization in terms of image that I have done, which is on your screen, is this making sense to you? Are you understanding in just one glance as to who am I and, you know, what do I do? Is this really clear with you? Yeah, so this is how the profile optimization, I'm just taking you through very, you know, short and faster routes. But the profile optimization is the first thing that you need to do when you are on LinkedIn, okay? Because it matters quite a lot. So when I take people through the entire course of LinkedIn, you know, this is like a long course that we take business professionals or any kind of professionals of any industry through LinkedIn, profile optimization is the first thing that we take them through. Okay, we make the profile really classy so that once somebody looks at it, you know, they are tempted to connect with you and then start conversing with you. Okay. The second thing that we do is we you know, take you through entire connection strategies. Okay, as to whom to connect on LinkedIn, you know, how to connect on LinkedIn. And the third thing is content strategy. Okay, content strategy means what you should be saying on LinkedIn, what you should be, you know, posting on LinkedIn, entire process. So that is very, very important. Broadly, these are the three areas where we categorize people into, and we categorize the entire course into, and this is how we take people through the entire process: profile optimization, connection strategies, and content strategies, for example. Okay, we also you know, it is also very important when you're using LinkedIn as to how to search people. Through LinkedIn, you can actually you know, you can actually search people in many other countries or people in many other states, many other cities, okay, who could be your prospective clients or whom you want to collaborate for business, right? So whom are you looking for? If you just type any you know, any search, etc., I will be able to do the demo right now over here. Anil sir, is that okay if I just do a little bit of demo? It will show them very interesting results in terms of, yeah.
Please, ma'am, all yours.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you can tell me whom are you really searching for? Else. Yeah. Restaurant owners. I have a startup in food processing. Amazing. Which city, Weber? Thank you for that. Which city? So I'm typing restaurant owners here. Okay. Okay. Restaurant owners. So I just type restaurant owners and I just said enter. Yeah. When I said enter, now it gives me options: people, jobs, events, and more. So I'm assuming that you want to search people as in people in who are restaurant owners. So I just click on people and I get 1,55,000 results. I obviously don't want so many restaurant owners. I want to categorize them further. So I click on location tab here and I type Mumbai over here. Yeah. So your search was restaurant owners to start with. Yeah. And it had 1,55,000 results. I just clicked on apply. And I have now come trickle down from 1,55,000 search results to 450 search results. Yeah, makes more sense. Now I just go to connections and I go to current companies. Yeah, so it gives me certain companies' names also. For example, the Kitchen Bar, or you know, a Tandoor, or restaurant associations, Michael Hill. These could be restaurant names. It also gives me, so from 1,55,000, we've come down to 450 people. Now, even 450 is pretty high number for me, right? When I'm searching for the right kind of person. So I just apply these restaurant names. I've got 5 results. Now it's much easier, isn't it? Gaurav, makes sense? Yeah. So now out of these 5, I can actually search. So this is the search that I've got. Somebody who's made his profile really well has come up as my search result. Yeah. This is how you also get searched. Right? So if I don't see current companies, then you know, there's an option of Swiggy also over here. So if I just click apply, there, you know, there could be more results, etc. And then you can just scroll down and you can see these are the people. These are 11 people now. So these are the people whom you can actually you know, connect with. And there are many more filters that you can apply. And in terms of connections, I can just say first and second connection, etc. And it's given me much more filtered results, right? There's one more request. There are some members out of network, how to reach them. So we'll take the question answers a little later. So Mumbai-based voice requirements. Yeah, so if there are some, so voice requirements nahi milenge Arpita, you will get, you know, get to see how other voice artists have placed themselves. So if you say, if I'm to say voice, I'll just try, okay, voice artist. Yeah, so if I'm saying voice artist and I'm clicking on search, I should be clicking on jobs here instead of people. And there are voice artists in India. There are these many jobs that are there. Arpita, good, they're there. Okay, so you can actually get in touch with Shemaru Entertainment Limited, which is voice artist group on LinkedIn. There's a senior voice artist, some Bengaluru has a requirement, etc. So yes, some on the other way, it will help you because instead of people over here, I clicked on jobs, right? So yeah, Arpita, thank you. Arpita is really happy that she got an answer. Okay, Kapil is asking, there are, no, so somebody is asking, I'm a nutritionist, how do I look out for prospective clients? So Gaurav, you'll have to see your kind of clients. So we'll have to dive deeper into what kind of clients are you looking for. But people who are, concerned about their nutrition, etc., you'll have to make some parameters of those. Like I made a parameter here, like restaurant owners, Mumbai. So the parameters is restaurant owners, parameters is location, Mumbai. And then I just went through those, search. So you'll have to find out what are your keywords and then you can search. Yeah. For example, if I want to search for somebody in Amazon. Yeah. So I will say Amazon in people. Okay. I'm suppose looking for, but it gives me 23 lakh plus results. Yeah. I don't want 23 lakh plus results. I want their current company to be Amazon. Okay. Then I say apply. And I want people who are only in Mumbai. Yeah, only in Maharashtra. I just type Mumbai over here. So these are the LinkedIn superb search engine. Okay, so a professional search engine where I type. Now I got 8,200 results. I can further say Amazon purchase manager. Yeah. Now this is going to be very, very specific result. Yeah. Amazon purchase manager. Now I got 49 results. Yeah. Helpful. So somebody is searching for, you want to search for person in Amazon who's a purchase manager. I actually type Amazon purchase manager, click on people and I can find out. Yeah. Electronic instruments manufacturer. Yeah. Ashish, you can do the similar search. I'll just take this as one more search. Electronic instruments manufacturer. And I will have to undo this, cancel this. Yeah. So I'll have to remove these filters and put my own filters here. So I'll have to choose a location. It's better. So I've got, right now I've got just, oh, sorry. Yeah. So this is how I can search for. And in terms of connections, I can search for first, second, and third connections. Yeah. So this is how I can search. Right now, I'm just getting Ankit Agarwal as just one person because it's still catching Amazon. So I've just cleared that and I said apply. Electronic instruments manufacturers. So Ashish, you got 3,300 results. You can filter them down further. Yeah. So if I just say first and second connection, I got 175 people who are electronic instruments manufacturer. Is that helpful, guys? Is this helpful? There are many, many filtered ways which we teach in our advanced, which we teach in our program. But this is what this search is so specific. And the LinkedIn is the only social media platform that can give you these professional results to the exact T. Yeah, to the absolute exact T to reach out to the right kind of people in your professional network, in your industry. So this is how we saw that how to search for whom we were searching for, right? In connection strategies, so, in terms, we saw how connection strategies in a very, very brief nutshell, we saw how connections really help. Now, normal and a very usual people that people ask me that, once you teach us LinkedIn, are we supposed to even post a content? So are we supposed to even do a posting? Guys, to that, my advanced answer to you would be that you're supposed to give only 15 minutes to LinkedIn daily, okay, if you want business from LinkedIn. Because the good news of, posting a content on LinkedIn is content creation for LinkedIn is absolutely easy. It is so easy that you'll really not believe yourself when, you know, when we actually take you through content strategies on LinkedIn. It is super easy. You can create content in 5 minutes sometimes, okay, lesser than that sometimes. And the good news is that only 92% of only 5% of people are, active content consumers, okay, and 3% are the people who create content, which means that you have very little competition on LinkedIn even till date. Yeah. So why this is good news that I said is because you have massive reach to the world of business leads, less competition on LinkedIn as a platform for you, and your conversations with specific set of people, we've already seen how to search for people, can start on LinkedIn, and your conversations can get into convergence, which means your business can grow on LinkedIn through conversations route. Yeah. Am I making sense? Anil sir, is this fine? Is this particular thing making sense in terms of content strategies in LinkedIn? So this is just a superficial level of what I'm saying or telling right now. But this is how we actually encourage people to start having an active LinkedIn account, start conversing with people, start seeing, be observant. Just देखो क्या चल रहा है LinkedIn पे, कितना यूजफुल है आपके बिजनेस के लिए, एंड देन योर कन्वर्सेशंस कैन गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ बिजनेस व्हिच इज अ कन्वर्जन. Yeah. So
the feedback at this stage is very simple, ma'am.
Yeah.
This gentleman by the name of Dheeraj Sachdeva, who said he has already sent you a
connection request.
connection request. Okay, ma'am, why don't you please announce my humble request?
Sure.
Right, the workshop that you're planning.
Yeah,
I think it's the right time to please announce that.
Sure. So just one. So the good news for you guys is content is absolutely necessary to create on LinkedIn. But the better news is it's really very easy, very easy, and that is what we teach in our workshop. We tell you what are the right hashtags in the workshop, and once you start using those hashtags, etc. This is how I've started trending on LinkedIn. So a lot of LinkedIn India used to recognize hashtags, etc. So these are the hashtags that I used to start trending, and once LinkedIn promotes you, there's no way of looking back. Yeah. In a nutshell, you need, these are the content strategies, so I'll not take too much of your time. There are some useful tools on LinkedIn for LinkedIn users, which I will take you through after I've announced the workshop, because sir is kind of requesting, maybe I've taken more time. So next session on LinkedIn, sir, is happening on 10th and 11th of October, which is a Saturday and a Sunday. And it does require a lot of discussion, doubt solving, your solution, solution-centric session. And these are the details on your screen. I will also put this in the chat. So somebody wants to, have more details, the entire details are written there. Particular person's number, and you just want to talk to that specific person, phone उठा के उसी से बात करनी है, तभी काम होगा. सीनियर से बात करके ही काम होगा, राइट कनेक्शन से बात करके ही काम होगा. मुझे आजू बाजू वालों के नंबर्स नहीं चाहिए. I need that particular person's number. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you one tool, and which is going to be like wow and exciting for you. So this is how it is. Yeah. So I am, for example, taking an example of our sir itself. Okay. So sir, मैं आपका ही example ले रही हूँ. I just typed Anil Menon and SP Jain. ऐसे मैंने type किया, right? That is how I know. So I only know that suppose Dr. Anil Menon is associated with SP Jain, and I just typed whatever information I have, but I don't have his number. Suppose, I'm just saying, suppose I don't have his number. So this is how, these results came. Dr. Anil Menon, I click on his name, right? And I click on the contact info. That is what naturally everybody will do, right? When I click on the contact info, I get disappointed because he's not put his number, and a lot of senior guys will not put their numbers. Obviously, they don't want you to contact them directly. So they'll not put their number. So what do we do in such case? Yeah, there is a tool which I have put on my computer, on my laptop. The tool's name is called Lusha. Okay, I will just type that. Sir, can you just type it for me? I'm just requesting you. Lusha, Lusha. Yeah. It looks something like this, Lusha. Okay, this is like Lusha. This is how it looks. This is how it spells. Yeah. So, are you able to see this right-hand side screen? So, Lusha is a Chrome extension, my friends. Lusha is a Chrome extension, and when you you install this free Chrome extension on your computer or on your laptop, this kind of icon will come to you. I have searched for Dr. Anil Menon over here, and I click on Lusha. It shows me all the contacts of his. Sir, this is your correct Gmail ID. This is your correct mobile number. And there are work mobile number, there is work, there is personal email ID, and there is a phone number also. How cool is that? And you can likewise find many, many people's contact number, directly connect with them. Is this, like, how cool is that? There are a lot of such tools,
Very good, ma'am. Vinayak sir is saying, wow. Ma'am, incidentally, one of them was one of the colleagues were asking for your contact details, sir.
Yeah, I'm giving those, right? So, any limitations, Nisha? That's a very good question. Yes, Lusha on every computer will have a limitation of finding out 5 contact numbers beyond which they want you to pay them to earn. But there are a lot of these tools, and we teach them in our sessions also. So Lusha is one such Chrome extension. Okay, so I have put that Lusha Chrome extension. You just have to install, and side by side you have to keep your LinkedIn ready. Okay, you have to keep your LinkedIn account open, not ready, open, and that is how. So I'll just see anybody who. Okay, I'll just do one thing. I'll find out. Again, I'll find out Amazon India Purchase Manager. For example, I want to find out, okay, number. Yeah. Same process. I just type Amazon India Purchase Manager, right? And purchase head. I want to talk to the head directly. Somebody's saying that. Okay. So suppose if I just say Amazon India Purchase Head, I just click on him. Okay. And by the way, he's a premium LinkedIn member, right? So easily to nahi milega. See, just look at the right hand side. Karamveer is saying, wow, damn, this is super powerful. Yes, Ajay, it is. Jadoo. Ashish is saying Jadoo. Kishore Sharwani is saying amazing, amazing. So there are these other tools also, which is called Snove.io. Okay, which is an email finder. Okay, you have similar experience with those kind of Chrome extensions, right? So does it happen that you have connections जिनका कोई काम नहीं है? अर्पिता, हाँ, वो connection strategies में हम पूरा आपको go through कराते हैं कि जिनका कोई काम नहीं है तो क्या करना है and all that. You can always clean up your database, so not to worry about it. You'll always have people जिनका कोई काम नहीं है तुमसे, लेकिन फिर भी होते हैं. Yeah. So guys, this is just one drop in the ocean that we take you through. Okay, there is one more thing that you can actually open your LinkedIn account, and then you can find your social selling score of LinkedIn. Social selling score. Okay, so that's called social selling index on LinkedIn. You just Google it, social selling index, and then you see how good you are. Okay, so you just go to this first link that comes on social selling, and then get your score for free. Yeah, when you click on get your score for free, it shows you a lot about your LinkedIn account. Okay, if your score is really low, guys, please let me know. Yeah, I'm there to help. So social selling index, and this is how your social selling index, it tells you that people in your industry and how good you are at selling your own product. Abhishek, you need to work on your you need to work on your profile. You need to do quite a lot of things, and it will work amazingly well for your business or your profession, but whichever the case may be. Yeah. So your score can improve very, very fast if you do certain things on LinkedIn. Yeah. So amazing, guys. So my details which sir has asked are these. You can take a screenshot or whichever. So these are my team members numbers. Saraswati and Saurabh, you can contact them. This is my WhatsApp number. You can send WhatsApp to me as well. One second, I'm just sharing a screen. It's not got shared. Yeah. So that's my team numbers. My team also supports me quite a lot. So thank you so much. Yeah. So that's my team's number. And this is my own number, which is a WhatsApp number. You can send me a WhatsApp message anytime, and I'll revert as soon as possible. So great, guys. This is how it is. I'm open for questions now. And
Can I?
yes, sure, please.
So the first question, ma'am, in fact, I'll switch on the video now.
Yeah.
Is on behalf of Damodar Industries. So Mr. Anil Biyani ji, who is one of the directors there, and Ajay Biyani ji, they have this small. They are looking for people who have lost their jobs.
Okay.
And it's a very noble initiative, and they are saying that if they are looking for such people because they are in trouble, very senior people, and in case they would like to start something of their own in the textile industry, right? Damodar Industries would like to collaborate with them.
Okay.
Because these are tough times. Senior people are losing their jobs, but all said and done, they have the experience. So how do you locate them? Can LinkedIn be used to locate such colleagues?
Absolutely. So you need to make a nice post, just the text one, and you need to post it on LinkedIn. Okay. And you need to also identify certain people who would share your post, who would engage on your post. So there are a lot of engagement tactics, engagement, tips that we teach you. And you actually can start telling people or tagging people, certain people, because right now everybody would like to help on LinkedIn, and somehow LinkedIn as a community itself has that helping somebody else in mind without having any expectations in returns kind of psychology, which I have faced, I have seen over the years. So if you just put that givers gain attitude on LinkedIn, and if you just put that post that this is what you want to do for people who have lost jobs, which I did on almost a couple of months back, around 6,000 people reacted onto it. Okay. And some of them even got jobs. They messaged me in my LinkedIn inbox saying that your post has given us a job and thank you so much, and so on and so forth. So if you're active on LinkedIn, you're actually doing those kind of things also pretty well. But do get active on LinkedIn, and then post. You can even tag me, and you can then bring that to my notice. I have a massive database, a massive connections base on LinkedIn, which is around 8,000 people. You can go up to 30,000 connections on LinkedIn, and then becomes followers. So yeah, you can reach out to who's who of the world in the professional world as far as LinkedIn is concerned. So yeah, I hope that really helps.
Not only did you answer the question, you offered to help. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
There's one more question. I will take questions. I'm a real estate consultant. How can I look for prospective buyers?
Okay, so
Vasanta
may I know the name of the person? So
I think Vasanta ji.
Okay, so this is the real estate, conclave that happened on the 10th of May. If you can see this particular screen, and this is Terayo Realty is a very big name in real estate world in India. Terayo Realty, in fact, is the group of around 16 to 17 cities real estate people coming together. And I did this LinkedIn session for them in the month of May, once in the month of April and again in the month of May, and told them that how real estate can be actually, be sold on LinkedIn. Okay, not like very quickly, but yes, they are now, I mean, some people of Terayo Realty, after attending 2 sessions, they have gone absolutely awesome on LinkedIn, and they, you know, they are seeing the impact on LinkedIn for their industry as such, because there was an understanding कि ये तो B2B हो गया, या you know, some challenges, but they are doing really well on LinkedIn. So this is the session that we had done. There were like around 70 odd people who had come for this session, and you know, we keep on doing sessions for them. So does that answer that question? Absolutely. Real estate industry is it's very, very essential for a real estate industry to be live on LinkedIn, to be active on LinkedIn.
The next question is from Dr. Vinod B. Nair.
Yeah.
If the LinkedIn profile is badly made, how do you clean it up?
Okay, if the LinkedIn profile is badly made, you can first focus on profile optimization. Profile optimization means your image has to be redone. We teach you certain techniques in terms of keywords, which kind of keywords have to be there in your profile. Then we teach you what kind of people you need to connect. That comes into the connection strategies. So this particular technique, which I said, that we take you through profile optimization, then connection strategies, and then we tell you what kind of content you need to start posting. You will start attracting on LinkedIn right kind of people, and your LinkedIn will start working for you. So profile optimization in terms of image and in terms of text, you need to start doing from now. Whether or not you do the session, irrespective, but you need to start your profile optimization. So जैसे मैंने profile दिखाया था, my profile looks like this, you know, right now it looks something else because I keep changing and experimenting. But at least by looking at the profile, you come to know how, how your LinkedIn profile should really, should really look. And then we take feedback from others also, and we make you do it. Like, you know, we don't leave you. We'll make you do it. We'll make sure that you do it. And unless and until then that course is not complete for you, actually.
This is from Kapil Ganatharaji. The question is how to connect to people out of network who are usually decision makers. Of course, you don't need to give the complete answer, but anything if you would like to comment on it.
Yes, so it's really very easy. Out of network का जो आपने बात किया है, फिलहाल मैं और अनिल मेनन सर कनेक्टेड नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे नाम पता है उनका. कनेक्टेड नहीं है लिंक्डइन पे, सो मुझे नाम पता है उनका, तो मैंने ढूंढ लिया. ओके, लेकिन अगर जैसे मैंने Amazon परचेस हेड ऐसे बताया था, तो मुझे नाम नहीं पता था वो टाइम पे. So I searched Amazon purchase head, and then I searched for location as Mumbai or location as India. So you have to have certain keywords in your mind ready, and then you can search for people. So they need not be in your network. They can absolutely be out of your network. Your network means your first connection. So they need not be in first connections of yours. They can be absolutely, you know, somebody else's connections, or they are absolutely not in your current network, but you can build on your network. You just need to find out, the keywords that in your mind have to be very, very clear. Like Arpita said, she wants to search for voiceover artist, and she wanted to see if there are jobs for voiceover artists. Yeah. So likewise, I hope I've answered that. Yeah.
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. Thanks a lot. Says Kapilji. Ma'am, there's one question from Vasantaji. What is SSI?
SSI is social selling index of LinkedIn. That gives you your score as to how good you are at subtle selling on LinkedIn. How good is your LinkedIn account in terms of you selling yourself on LinkedIn. So social selling means social selling index. Social selling means आप सोशल मीडिया पे सोशलाइज करके जो अपना बिजनेस क्रिएट करते हो, उसे सोशल सेलिंग कहा जा सकता है.
What is first, second, and third connection? Vasanta ji.
Okay, so right now I'm connected to suppose I'm connected to Vinod Nair ji on LinkedIn. So he sends me a request, and I connect with him on LinkedIn today itself. And Mr. Vinod Nair is connected to Mr. Anil Menon. But I am not connected to Mr. Anil Menon. So Mr. Anil Menon मेरा second connection हुए और Dr. Vinod Nair मेरा first connections हुए. So that is how first connection, second connection, third connection, so on and so forth.
I think there's one more question here. Oh, thank you. So it's a thank you from Vasantaji here. I would now start my thank you. All right. So first thanks is
There's
to
a thank you day for me, as in receiving.
No, ma'am, it has been an excellent session.
Thank
Right?
you.
So honestly, right, there are so many things that, right, we don't know is something I personally realized that today.
Mr. Kishore Sharma saying we can reach everyone globally in 6 connections. That's called the that's called something. It's called the degree of connections or something of that sort. Yeah, 6 degrees of separation. Yeah, absolutely. I love this fundamental 6 degrees of separation, which means that you know मेरे और किसी भी और इंसान में दुनिया में सिर्फ maximum 6 degrees हो सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. 5 or 6 degrees हो सकते हैं. That's called 6 degrees of separation law. That's a wonderful insight that you've given, sir. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, which are the other courses that you run? If you could just let everybody know, please.
Sure. So we run courses for doctors specifically because doctors need to get, doctors as in the practicing doctors, not the PhD doctors. So we run courses. One which is happening on Google My Business, which is very, very specific to doctors because doctors need to have their Google business listing done for free. And a lot of people don't know that Google listing free hota hai, and they don't know. In fact, in India, around 62% people don't really avail of free Google listing services, which is so important for any profession, whether it is a voice artist, whether he's a doctor, lawyer. लोग कभी भी ढूंढते हैं तो ऐसे ही ढूंढते हैं lawyers near me या dentist near me, voice artist in Mumbai, ऐसे ही ढूंढते हैं. तो वो टाइम पे अगर आपका नाम ऊपर आना चाहिए तो आपको गूगल का फ्री लिस्टिंग होना आपका बहुत जरूरी है और ये लोगों को पता ही नहीं है. शायद यहाँ पे भी कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. दिस पर्टिकुलर लिस्टिंग इज कॉल्ड गूगल माई बिजनेस और गूगल ने ये सर्विस बहुत पहले चालू किया है. इट्स बीन मोर देन a few years now, but there is absolutely no awareness. So we do Google My Business, listing, Google My Business listing and growing webinar, which is happening on 15th. So I will give you the details of that. We do it for other professionals also, but this particular session we do it for doctors because we have certain arrangements for doctors. Also, there are Facebook marketing courses. So we take people from absolutely not knowing Facebook marketing to making that person absolute pro and expert in Facebook marketing, because बिना Facebook marketing पे marketing के कुछ नहीं होने वाला अभी. Facebook and LinkedIn are very, very important platforms. So we do Facebook marketing also courses also. I'll share the details once I declare them for October. It's kind of dates are getting firmed up right now. And I take personally courses for making videos because you would agree and everybody would agree that you have to face camera, you have to come in front of people, and you have to know the techniques of doing your own videos all by yourself without depending upon anybody. So videos, graphics, all those courses that we take. And these are short courses, but all courses are DIY, which means do it yourself. Okay. Not depending on yourself, on anybody else, depending only on yourself. We call it digitally Atmanirbhar. So, become digitally Atmanirbhar. A lot of courses are there, so I'll send the information to you.
So, continuing, any more questions, please do type. So there is one. If there are more number of reviews, does it mean there are genuine or best products?
In Google My Business or in LinkedIn or where? Anywhere, any which ways. When there are a lot of reviews, there are two things. One, the person has actually done good work. Okay. Second, the person has worked hard to even take those reviews from people, and not all people would be lying. Okay. And third thing, more reviews means more social proof. It could be positive social proof, it could be negative social proof. It is up to our discretion to trust it or not trust it. But usually when there are a lot of digital reviews, reviews that are given on digital platforms, people tend to trust them. So absolutely, good reviews are absolutely imperative, and you should take reviews for your own work. It is like a recommendation that you should receive for your own work, and it is necessary. अगर आपने किसी का बहुत अच्छा काम किया है तो आपको रिव्यू लेना और वो सोशल प्रूफ दिखाना बहुत जरूरी है, because you need to market yourself. There is no negotiation about you marketing yourself. Am I right, sir?
Absolutely right. That I think is very important. I've just wrote down that point. I just keep making notes. Take reviews as much as possible. So
more the merrier in terms of reviews.
So that answers that question that was posed. Before we take any other questions, special thanks to Vinayak ji. So Vinayak sir, thank you very much for this interview.
Thank you, sir.
We would not have known Pallavi ma'am but for you. So after Advocate Devulji, Vinayak sir's the second introduction, and thank you very, very much, sir.
Thank you.
From the bottom of my heart. Right. Second, thank you is for Shanti ma'am who said we'll go ahead with Facebook Live. I just realized that Kapil and others just joined it because of Facebook Live.
Oh,
so every day I am also learning something new. Right? The next thanks goes to my dear colleague Abhishek, right, who was Anil sir, who kept saying about that people who have lost their jobs, can we do something for them? And thank you for answering that, dear ma'am. Right. Any other questions, dear colleagues? My humble request to you all is today I can see special thanks to you, ma'am, because not only did you deliver a great lecture.
Thank you, sir. It was a great audience, actually.
When I say great audience, I can see a mix, ma'am. There are some names whom I would not know. So I think you have got a big fan following, right? Many of these names I'm coming through for the first time. So I'll just take 2 minutes to run some slide and what is the motto of this entire exercise. I'll just take 2 minutes.
Sure, sure.
So dear colleagues, we have this ongoing series where I invite professionals. Today was Pallavi ma'am, who will come and deliver sessions. And the idea is simple. In case you're comfortable, please do donate for a social cause. In case you're comfortable, it's known as Hunger Collective. So this started today is the 80th session, 80.
Wow.
This is basically we do it every Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Amazing.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Right. We do it basically. This is the initiative. Right. We do it to help poor and people who are dying of hunger. Right, the word is dying. I was just speaking to Rajshri ma'am today. That's the unfortunate part, right? And your contributions can be as little as 200 rupees, right? And of course, if you want to sponsor any session, then right, we request you that you could consider 10,000. This entire initiative, Pallavi ma'am and the dear class is led by Ms. Rajshri Sai, right, who is a company secretary, and CA Ashlesha, right? Currently, by grace of God, we have touched around 1.5 lakh people, right? So, right, in the last 3 odd months. Thank you all of you all. We are continuing to do this series. In case you all are interested, and these are for the colleagues who joined in, thanks to Pallavi ma'am. Friday is again one more session. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, same link, right?
Okay.
Right. You could come in, and Sunday 11:45 is more of a social session. So this Sunday again we are going to have Mr. Arun, who is going to speak a bit more on social cohesiveness. Thank you, Pallavi ma'am. If I may just request you, I've stopped sharing. That I insist on that. If you could just give that link again for the dear participants, please.
Yeah.
And any further information, please get in touch with me. I feel very silly putting my number now here, ma'am, especially after your Lucia demonstration.
I didn't do it. Lucia did it.
So I really find it right. But anyway, thank you very, very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you all, friends.
And ma'am, before you leave, that 5 o'clock thing that has been a
sure. So there's a group of 100 people who attended Alive at 5. Alive at 5 is the concept where there is a group called Success Gyan, which is a very big company in India who brings the best international speakers of the world to India and takes India's best speakers to on international platforms. So Alive at 5 is one of their initiative, which means that you start your day at 5 o'clock. There's a 5 to 6 a.m., which is early morning Zoom meet that happens. And Prachi Mayekar is the host of that particular meet, who takes us through abundance in life, through success, all success driven, success driven things, etc. And she takes you through a lot of awareness in your life. I will just give you the link. It's www.aliveat5.in. Okay, so if you just alive at 5.in. So this is the second batch is starting tomorrow. I am personally recommending this to you because I have personally seen a lot of difference in my life. Getting clarity about what my goals are, what I want to do in life, and what is my purpose, etc. And it just makes a hell lot of difference in your life when you start your day at 5 o'clock. So it is about getting into the habit of starting your day at 5 o'clock. So we all wake up at 4:30. We start the session at 5. Obviously, we log in into Zoom at 5 and we start our day from 5 o'clock. We are completely into the groove of our life. So we take charge of our lives, and that is what the session is all about. It's going to happen for 10 days, 1st October to 10th of October. And it's starting tomorrow. So the registrations are still on. Somebody can just Google it, or I can send the link to. I've already sent you the link, sir, so you can transfer it to all the people.
Thank you, Pallavi ma'am. And with your permission, ma'am, this video will be uploaded on YouTube channel Menon Mantras.
No problem, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Shanti ma'am. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.